The question says that 10 ml 0.1 molar ferrous sulfate, it undergo oxidation in the presence of oxidizing agent acidified potassium permanganate. The question is asked, what is the amount of KMnO4 is required for a complete oxidation of 10 ml 0.1 molar ferrous sulfate? Everyone know that number of gram equivalents of the KMnO4, number of gram equivalents of the ferrous sulfate equal. We know whenever two substances they react, their number of equivalents must be equal, like 3 equivalent reacts with 3 equivalent, 2 equivalent react with 2 equivalent. Let me write number of equivalents of ferrous sulfate and KMnO4 are equal. Ferrous sulfate molarity is there, volume is there, number of equivalents want normality and volume. So everyone just write, we know that normality is nothing but number of equivalents divided by volume of solution in liter, same as molarity is nothing but number of moles of solute that is dissolved in certain volume of solution, that is in liter. So everybody can see that number of equivalents is nothing but normality into volume, that should be in liter. Let's have the same volume in liter. Milli is 10 power minus 3. So milliliter converted into liter. We should convert a molarity into normality. We all people know that the relation between molarity and normality is m equal to n by n, where n is normality, the capital one, the small one is the valency factor. Now, what is the valency factor of ferrous sulfate? Everyone know that ferrous will undergo oxidation, become a ferric. Ferrous, after oxidation, it will become ferric, means the valency factor to become 3, 1. So, n is 1, that means molarity, normality values are equal. So, 0.1 molar is 0.1 normal. So, 0.1 normal, right? So, over this side, you are finding out the number of equivalents of KMnO4, right? We know that once again the same relation that we can use, it's number of moles into valency factor. So what I'm doing, you just see this. Amount of KMnO4 I want to calculate, am I right? You can see amount is given like this. What is this? This is nothing but molarity into volume. So what is volume into molarity? Everyone see, volume into molarity is number of moles. So everywhere number of moles are given. So let's calculate over here number of moles directly. Then final conclusion becomes easy for us. Okay. So number of moles, let me write number of moles into valency factor. So what is number of equivalents? So everyone see this. Number of moles, everyone know it's mass by molar mass. Molar mass is nothing but how molar mass and equivalent mass related. Molar mass and equivalent mass related like this is big, this is small, small into something become big equal to big. So rather writing molecular mass, we can write equivalent mass into N. So number of moles is equal to, what is mass by equivalent mass? It's number of equivalents. Number of equivalents divided by N. N is valency factor. So what is number of equivalents? Number of moles into valency factor. Number of moles into valency factor. So what is the valency factor of potassium permanganate in the acid medium? Everyone write permanganate in the acid medium. I know it's like sulfuric acid is there, manganese become manganese sulfate, sulfate minus 2, so manganese plus 2. In permanganate, oxide minus 2 into 4 minus 8, minus 8 you take it another side, become plus 8, 8 minus 1 is 7. So oxidation state of manganese in permanganate is 7. So over here it's plus 2. So 7 become 2, it's a 5 unit change. So the valency factor is a 5. So number of moles of KMnO4, let's take 5 over this side. You can see 5 ones are 5 twos are. 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 1 is 10 power minus 4. So 2 into 10 power minus 4 moles of KMnO4 required. Let's look at where it is given 2 into 10 power minus 4 moles. Everyone know that its volume should be in liter, milliliter, convert this into liter, into of course molarity, that itself is number of moles. Volume into molarity is number of moles, we all know that. So it's given here. Number of moles, molarity into volume, that should be in liter. Here 10 into 10 power minus 3 into 0.02, everyone can see we have minus 3 plus 1 become minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Of course it is 2 into 10 power minus 4 moles. So that is what is our answer, right? So option A has to be the answer. If you see any of these, the number of moles you won't get 2 into 10 power minus 4. At option A, we got the answer 2 into 10 power minus 4 mole. So option A has to be here the right answer.